Hey there, fellow Firefox fans. Welcome back to our series on mastering your browser in 2025. Today, in this quick and easy tutorial, we're tackling how to export bookmarks on Firefox. Whether you're switching devices, backing up your favorites, or just wanting to keep your precious links safe, exporting bookmarks is a must-know skill. It's super straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll be doing it like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have Firefox open on your computer. If you don't have it installed, head over to the official Firefox website and download the latest 2025 version. It's packed with even more features for seamless browsing. Once you're in, look for the menu button. That's the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, or if you're on a Mac, it might be under the Firefox menu at the top of your screen. Click on that menu, and then select Bookmarks from the drop-down. You'll see an option that says Manage Bookmarks or Show All Bookmarks. Go ahead and click that. This opens the library window, where all your bookmarks are organized. Now, in the library, look for the Import and Backup button at the top. Click on it, and from the menu that pops up, choose Export Bookmarks to HTML. That's the most common format because it's widely compatible. Next, a Save dialog box will appear. Pick a location on your computer where you want to save the file, maybe your Documents folder or desktop for easy access. Give it a name like My Firefox Bookmarks 2025 feet so you can find it later, and hit Save. Firefox will quickly export all your bookmarks into that file. Depending on how many you have, this might take just a few seconds. Pro tip: if you're planning to import these bookmarks into another browser or device, make sure to use the HTML format. It works great with Chrome, Edge, or even a new Firefox install. Also, in 2025, Firefox has enhanced security features, so double-check that your export doesn't include any sensitive data. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your bookmarks. This simple process ensures your favorite sites are always backed up and ready to go. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious.